Welcome to Basics of Biostatistics, the 12th video. I am Dr. Omar Amin Mohammed from Sa'ad Zungu University, Bauchi State, formerly known as Bauchi State University. Gado. In today's video, we are going to talk about the guide to choosing statistical methods. Now, understanding the basics is very important. So, selecting the appropriate statistical method is crucial for meaningful data analysis. This guide will help you make informed decisions about which statistical test to use based on your research question and data characteristics. There are some key factors to consider when choosing a statistical method. You have to look at your research question and then your objectives, and of course then the type of data, whether it's nominal, ordinal, interval or ratio, the number of variables you are using, the sample size, and of course the data distribution, whether it's normally distributed or not normally distributed, and the independence of the observations. Now, there are types of analysis. We have the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. Under the descriptive statistics, the analysis you do is the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, and the range. While under inferential statistics, there are a number of variables. Where it's one variable, you use univariate analysis. If it is two variables, you use multivariate analysis or bivariate analysis. If it's more than two, you use multivariate analysis. There are some common statistical tests based on the purpose, the test type, and of course the assumptions. When you're comparing two means, that's two groups, you use t-test, provided that the data is normally distributed and the source of data is continuous. When you're comparing 3 plus, it's analysis of variance. Of course, in some cases, if you have two, you can also use analysis of variance for normal distribution and continuous data. If you're looking for a relationship between variables, you use correlation, provided the source of data is continuous, and then you're looking for linear relationship. And of course, if it's a categorical data analysis, you basically use chi-square. Of course, when the data is the nominal category, the categorization of data is basically nominal based on categories. And of course, when you're using non-normal distribution, you basically use non-parametric checks when the assumptions of the parametric test are violated. Decision 3 for common scenarios in statistics. 1. When you're comparing groups, if the groups are 2 in number and the data is normally distributed, you use t-test. And of course, if it is non-normally distributed, you use Mann-Whitney. If it is 3 or more groups and the data is normally distributed, you use analysis of variance. But if the data is not normally distributed, you use Kruskal-Wallis. And 2, of course, when you are looking for a relationship between variables, if the relationship you are looking for is a linear kind of relationship, you use Pearson correlation. If it's not linear, you use Spearman correlation. And if you are looking to see the differences between categorical variables, you use t-test. And of course, if the sample is very small, you use Fisher's exact test. Important consideration. Always check this before choosing a statistical method. You have to look at your sample size requirement, your assumptions of the test, and your type 1 and type 2 error risk is very important, and your statistical power. Now, in conclusion, choosing the right statistical method is crucial for valid research conclusion. Always consider your research questions, your data characteristics, and test assumptions when making your selection. When in doubt, seek expert contributions. When in doubt, you seek expert consultation, and of course, to ensure the most appropriate analysis for your specific case. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.